Up that pizza. He was tearing up that pizza. You're such a champion. Gosh. You got 4 teeth and you eat really well. Obviously. Obviously you is not a starving boy. Chubby cheeks. Chubby cheeks. Get that cheese. Get it. Get it all. That's good, huh? You want some milk? Say, this is my first time drinking real milk. Oh. Oops. Sorry. Here, buddy. Yummy. That's weird.